Hi, this is your librarian, Mrs. Young. Welcome to our Padlet board on reliable resources. Your objective today is making critical choices about information sources to use. First, let's talk about what a reliable resource is. A reliable resource is material such as an article or research paper that is regarded as reliable, where the material has been published by well-regarded academic presses. Let's look at our Padlet board now. You will see on the right side, I have posted several different resources that will help you decide if a resource you have picked is a reliable resource to use. So please take some time to look at these resources carefully. When you are finished, you get to be the judge by participating in a discussion question. So your discussion question is, what can you do to ensure that the source you have picked for research is a credible source to use? So you will look here at the different websites I've posted down here, and you will determine if these websites are reliable websites to use or not reliable. When you are done, you can click on the plus sign and add a box. Please put your name and the website that you have chosen and write a couple of bullet points to let me know why or why not these websites are reliable or not reliable. So when you are done with that, we will have a class discussion. Have fun and good luck.